Good morning mga kabakyard. Welcome back to Rizal Backyard Farm. Isa na naman pong magandang umaga dito sa farm. At syempre, sa umpisa, we always clean our chicken coop. And then after that, we have to feed our chicken. The sun is just coming up, the air is fresh. And the chickens are already excited because they know it's breakfast time again. Marami dito sa lugar namin ang nagre-raise ng mga native chicken. And actually, madali lang naman mag-raise ng chicken. Pero, it requires dedication every single day. Kahit maaraw pa yan, maganda yung sikat ng araw, cloudy, hindi pwedeng pabayaan ng ating mga chicken. Because our chickens, they still need food, clean water, and proper care. That's why, one of the first things I do every morning is come here and check on them. Kasi kailangan natin i-check kung merong may sakit. So, kailangan nating ihiwalay kaagad yun at we need to treat them immediately. As you can see, they are very active and eager to eat. Watching them run toward the feed is always a happy sight for me. Nakakatuwa kasi parating pa lang ako sa gate, sa pintuan, naglalapitan na lahat yan. Lalo pag may hawak akong basket, kala nila food. So they run towards me. It reminds me that simple things in life can bring so much joy. Farming may not always be easy, but moments like this make all the hard work worthwhile. One thing I've learned from raising chickens is the importance of consistency. Just like in farming, success in life doesn't happen overnight. Small efforts done every day can lead to great results in the future. Whether you're taking care of animals, growing vegetables, running a business, or working toward your dreams, patience saka hard work always pay off. Here in Rizal Backyard Farm, our goal is not only to raise healthy chicken and grow food, but also to share our experiences with all of you. We want to show that even a simple backyard can become productive with enough care, determination, and love for farming. To all our followers, thank you so much for your continued support. Every like, comment, share, and view, nakakatulong yon sa pag-grow ng aming page. Your encouragement motivates us to create more content and share more of our daily farm activities. Lalong-lalo na yung sa ginagawa kong magic. Nakakatuwa. Feel free to leave a comment and tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from you, fellow farmers, backyard growers, and animal lovers. Anyway, good morning again to all of you. Happy farming sa ating lahat. Thank you so much for watching.